Hi guys, I'm here to show you something super cool today. If you have heard of the Apres Gel-X nails, then that is the product we're going to be reviewing. They just released two new boxes of jellies and like a box of neutral sheer pink tan tones, and we are going to be testing those out. I'm super excited to be trying this. So the first one we are going to be reviewing is the Natural Round Medium. It's by Art Me by Tokyo by Yoko Matsuda. I am really excited to be trying these out. I have a few clients who are not interested in acrylic or dip SNS manicures, but they are interested in this type of extension just because you don't have to have it for a very long time, and they do like to change their nails often. Those are your 2-week, 3-week clients. It comes in some really beautiful shades, like pink, light pink, dark pinks, like ooh, oh my gosh, I love this. I just did this in an SNS dip manicure, and I do have this in a CND shellac color. I just love how translucent and beautiful that is. I'm gonna grab a big one because the really great thing about this, I love that you can see what number it is, what size you're working with, because the other ones were so small, and it has the logo, so you know that you're always getting an actual Apres product. So this is fantastic. I'm so excited to be using this. The next ones we will be reviewing are the Natural Coffin Medium. This one has 5 colors. Again, it's by Yoko Matsuda. And this is the Natural Stiletto Long. You guys, I cannot believe how long these stilettos are. Okay, I just have to show you. It's crazy. So these ones are the medium-sized coffins. This is just for, like, I would consider this everyday use. Okay, that's a bigger size. This is something that I feel like a lot of people can get away with just because it's not that much of an extension on your natural nail. Of course, it looks long because it's a tip, but once you put it on your finger, you know that it's really not that long. But that is just the medium size. So the long size, and I got these in a stiletto because we all love the claws and the fetish nails, but they come in a few different colors. It's the blue, purple, pink, yeah, all these super fun colors, but these are long. It's insane. I love the jelly atmosphere. Like, I love the jelly color of them. So yeah, these are the brand new Apres Gel-X nails, and I will put them on and we can do a set together and deck it out in some really fun designs. So watch that video next, guys. Thank you so much. Hi guys, this is Butterfly Villain. Thank you so much for watching my little review unboxing video. Stay tuned, check out my next one. We will be applying the jelly colors as well as the natural colors, so check that out. I'm really excited to show you guys that. Have a great day, and like and subscribe. Bye.